Hello, good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about the lecture number 3. In that lecture we are going to discuss about the Nernst equation. So Nernst equation means electropotential are determined at non-standard condition. Electropotential of the cell determined at the non-standard condition. Non-standard condition means at the temperature is not equal to 298 Kelvin, pressure is not equal to 1 atmosphere, concentration is not equal to 1 molar. That is we call it the Nernst equation. If any electropotential we are determined at a non-standard condition called as Nernst equation. So look at here, one galvanic cell. I draw the galvanic cell. The zinc electrode dipped into the zinc sulfate solution, copper electrode dipped into copper sulfate solution. So zinc is oxidized to form zinc ion, copper reduced to form copper atom. So in this galvanic cell, work done by the system. Whatever system is there, this whole cell is the system. This is the system work done. When you connect the wire, the zinc atom automatically the oxidized and the copper atoms are reduced to itself without any external forces, right? So the galvanic cell is the spontaneous process. Galvanic cell is the spontaneous process because its work with its own energy. It cannot need the external forces, right students? Its process spontaneous. So we know that it's work itself, so it is work done. It's work done by the system. So work is equal to charge into potential difference. In physics, I think you will learn this one. And the charge Q, potential difference V. Charge Q we are denoted here as a N into F. Charge Q means we are denoted here the N into F. What is NF? Let's see here. The charge means whenever the zinc turns into zinc ion, it means 1 mole of zinc turns into 1 mole of zinc ion, liberate 2 moles of electrons. 2 moles, not 2 electrons, 2 moles of electrons. Similarly here, it is not a 1 copper. It is 1 mole of copper ion accept 2 moles of electrons to form copper atom. Right, students? So moles of electrons are exchanged here, not 2 electron, 3 electrons. It is a moles of electrons are transfer. So that's why the charge is given as the charge of electron. We know that charge of electrons, it means the into moles of electrons. The moles of electrons which having the charge. The n moles of electrons having how much charge? N moles of electron, because here it transfer moles of electrons. So that's why we are using Q is equal to N into F, charge electrons into moles of electrons. So charge of electron 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. Moles of electron 6.023 10 to the power of 23 particles. Right. When you multiply with this one, we got the 9649 something. So approximately we are taken as a charge value. Charge Q value is 96500 F. F stand for Faraday charge. So this value discovered by Faraday. So that's why it is given as a Faraday charge F. Alright students, this is the value of Q. And what is the value of V? V means potential difference. Potential difference developed between the electrode and respective solution, cathode and respective solution in the whole cell. So that's why we are taken as the potential difference V is equal to E cell. V is equal to E cell. E cell means E of cathode minus E of anode. Yesterday we have discussed this topic. E cell means E of cathode and E of anode, or you may say E of left hand side minus right hand side. Right hand side minus left hand side. Right students? So that's why V means E cell. Right. Okay. So put the value of Q and V in equation 1. We get value of V, value of Q can be put into in this equation. We got W is equal to QV, the equation 1. If you put Q means NF, V means E cell. So W is equal to NF E cell. Right students? When galvanic cell work done spontaneously during the reaction, its energy decreases. Galvanic cell work done spontaneously, during the reaction its energy decreases, right? Correct. Whenever the galvanic cells, zincs or oxidizes, coppers are reduced, during in which the energy of the battery decreases, or the cell salt bridge in which what are the chemical elements ions are there, they are decreases. So galvanic cells goes on decreases. So it means the work done, as it's continue work, its energy goes on decreases. So that's why work done is equal to minus delta G. Delta G is the free energy. Delta G means free energy, that is work done by the system. W is equal to minus delta G, right? So change in free energy is minus. Compare equation 2 and 3. W is equal to delta minus delta G, equation 3. W is equal to NF, equation 2. So we are comparing, then we got the W is common in both equation. W is common, so that's why W is equal to minus delta G is equal to NFE. Difference. And afterwards the W is equal to G. We are rearranging the value, and we got delta G is equal to minus NFE, or you may write delta G is equal to minus NFE. Difference. E cell. Sorry, right here cell. Okay friends, next is Nernst. What he do, he using the so there is the value in standard condition. Delta G naught is equal to minus NF E naught cell. It is a non-standard condition. Delta G minus NF E cell, non-standard condition. The standard condition delta G naught minus NF E naught cell. Nernst use the thermodynamic equation. This equation we are already discussed in the class 11 science. So this is the delta G is equal to delta G naught plus RT ln Q. Delta G gives free energy. Delta G naught gives free energy at standard condition. R real gas constant 8.314. T is the temperature 298 Kelvin. Ln log to the base 10. Q is the reaction quotient. Reaction quotient means product by reactant. Right friends? Okay, put delta G value in equation 5. Whatever the delta G we got, the delta G value put into the equation 5. This is the delta G, equation 5, and delta G value is minus NF E cell. Delta G naught minus NF E naught cell. RT ln Q. So this is equation 6. So divide equation 6 by minus NF. This whole equations are we are dividing with minus NF. So we got the minus NF we get cancel, minus NF we get cancel. Then we got the plus RT ln K. So E cell is equal to E naught cell. This minus and upward, move upward, that minus RT by NF ln Q. The NF get cancel, NF get cancel. We got E cell E naught cell plus RT ln K. E cell E naught cell minus RT ln K ln Q. Q stand for reaction quotient, product by reactant. And the E cell E naught cell, R value 8.314, T value 200 Kelvin, log ln means 2.313 log to the base 10, here, and N F value 6.96500. So product by reactant students. Then you multiply all these things and divide with Faraday. You got the Nernst equation. E is equal to E naught minus 0.0592 by N log product by reactant. So this is the Nernst equation students. Based on this we have to solve the many example. Let's see here.